fashion.
Hey everybody, it's your girl DJ Naina Drake, and we are here with the beautiful and talented Elle Varner. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Fabulous. Welcome back to Chicago.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be back.
You're performing tonight.
Yes, I am. I'm so excited.
Tell us what exactly are you going to be performing tonight?
I'm going to be performing my single, Only Want to Give It to You, as well as the next single, Refill. And a little surprise for you, there won't be any music beside me and Anointed S, my beatboxer, and it's going to be really exciting.
Did you feel like I do? I said I only want to give it to you, and I want you more than I knew ever should. Staying, so can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill?
Tell us how important fashion is in your life when it comes to the music and the fashion collaboration.
Well, fashion is important because it's a method of self-expression, and it's like music is just one way to express yourself, and then you have fashion, which is a whole nother world, and I love it. You can do whatever you want. You can wear heels, flats, vintage, new, whatever you want to do.
How would you describe your style?
My style is quirky, very random. Sometimes I go back and forth between what I like to wear, but it's just very much an expression of how I feel that day. So
Fun. Any of favorite designers or people that you kind of draw to more than others?
yeah, I think right now Betsy Johnson is my favorite. She just makes pieces that fit you perfectly. They have the right amount of color and everything. So yeah.
Yeah, I love Betsy Johnson. She understands a woman's body.
She does. She absolutely does. And a woman who has curves as well, because, sometimes we can't find stuff for us, So, yeah.
Tell us, what else do you have coming out? You just mentioned the next single. Any other projects? A lot of the artists are collaborating with fashion brands and movies and TV appearances. What do you have coming up?
Well, I just auditioned for a show. I can't say what it is, but it's on MTV. And I am just starting to partner with different brands. I just got a Christmas box from Adidas. So let's see where that relationship goes. Betsy Johnson has been supporting, so I'm right now getting out there, and people are starting to get to know me and say, hey, I like her, so it's cool. Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah.
Well, we are very excited to have you on the stage. We can't wait to see your performance. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Oh, shout out to Surround Sound of Fashion. I know it's going to be incredible. Beautiful stage, beautiful models. I can't wait.